Hi students, today we are going to learn some problems based on monotonicity of functions. What is meant by monotonicity? Monotonicity of a function means a function which is entirely increasing or entirely decreasing in the given domain is said to be monotonic function. Now, in this class, we are going to learn about interval of increase, in which interval the function is decreasing or increasing. We need to find out the intervals. The first function says f of x is equal to x square minus log x. So here the domain of the function is, as the domain of log x is 0 to infinity and x square domain is R. Therefore, the entire domain belongs to 0 to infinity. Open interval 0 to infinity. So, for finding interval of increase or interval of decreasing, we need to find out derivative of the function. So, f of x is equal to x square minus log x. F dash of x is equal to x minus 1 by x. That implies 2x square minus 1 by x. For finding interval of decreasing and interval of increase, we need to find out stationary points of f of x. We get the stationary points by equating f dash of x equal to 0. That implies f dash of x is equal to 0 means x square 2x square by x is equal to 0. Which means by common 2 we will get x square 2 times of x square minus 1 by 2 by x is equal to 0, which implies 2 into 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by root 2 whole square. So 2 into x square minus 1 by root 2 whole square by x. This can be written as 2 times of x minus 1 by root 2 into x plus 1 by root 2 by x minus 0. By sign scheme we can write, means in which interval the function is increasing and in which interval the function is decreasing. We can find out by the sign scheme. Means we have to draw a number line 0, 1 root is 1 by root 2 and 1 root is 1 minus 1 by root 2 and x minus 0. So 1 is 0 on the root. So in this case, for value of x greater than 1 by root 2, the entire function f dash of x is positive. In the alternate segment, it is negative, positive, negative. By the sign scheme, the sign changes accordingly. Here, f dash of x, the sign change of f dash of x, not f of x. So interval of increase means in which interval the function f dash of x is positive. In those intervals the function is increasing. But here the function is increasing in the interval minus 1 by root 2 to 0 and 1 by root 2 to infinity. But the domain of the function x belongs to 0 to infinity, which implies interval of increase is equal to 1 by root 2 to infinity. This is interval of increase. In the same manner, to find out interval of decrease, in which interval the function is negative, 0 to 1 by root 2 the function is negative, and minus infinity to 1 by root 2 the function is negative. But the domain of the function is not negative. Therefore, interval of decrease of f of x is 1 by root 2, 0 to 1 by root 2. In this interval the function is decreasing.